Everybody, Ed the Trainer back again to talk to you this time about the difference between the Equal Credit Opportunity Act, ECOA, and HMDA, the Home Mortgage Disclosure Act. These two laws are very closely related in that they both deal with discrimination in the lending process. The biggest difference between the two, and something that is often overlooked when trying to distinguish between them, is when each of the laws is applied. ECOA, for example, is used to try to eliminate discriminatory treatment in credit applicants looking for loans. In other words, borrowers cannot be turned away on the basis of their inclusion in any particular protected characteristic or group. Race, color, religion, sex, national origin, age, etc. If the borrower is qualified for the loan, they're getting the loan. ECOA is a preemptive law. It's applied before the loan, essentially saying, don't discriminate from the start. HMDA, on the other hand, is also a discrimination law, except it's an historic look at the types of loans that a lot of creditors have done, in sense looking for a pattern of discriminatory treatment of particular borrowers on the basis of the protected groups or characteristics they may be a part of. At the end of every year, a creditor is required to send over HMDA data on what's called a loan application register, in reporting to the federal government details about the demographics of the borrowers applying for or receiving loans, the specific terms of the loans offered to or given those borrowers if they close, and specific information about the property types those loans are made for. And the idea is all this information is aggregated, it's put away, and somewhere down the road, the government will determine, if necessary, if that creditor has been discriminating against certain sets or groups of borrowers or in certain neighborhoods. Again, HMDA is an historic look at the types of loans that have been done, whereas ECOA is a preemptive protection of consumers by saying, don't discriminate ahead of time. Hope that helps. Again, this is Ed the Trainer. If you've got questions for me, reach out. It's ed@edthetrainer.com.